Hello guys, welcome to another video. After some heavy off-roading in the snow, but also all the years of use for my rear brake drums, it was time to replace it because my Duster had to go and do the inspection check that in Romania it should be made at a 2-year period. So in this video we are replacing the rear brake drums. Many of you noticed that I don't have a rear brake working light. I also replaced that light, so rest assured now all my future Duster videos will be with that new light bulb, and I also replaced the light for the left fog lights. That being said, this is my brake drums after 5 years of use. It has rust all over. This happens very fast after you buy the car. The new Duster will not have the rear brake drums, and I'm very curious if the rear brake discs will have the same life as the brake drums. You have to buy two separate parts. It's the brake drum itself and all the springs that you also have to replace, because once you have some water inside your brake drum, these springs will not work efficiently if you only replace the drum itself. On both sides you can see that the springs are very rusted, and the main problem was on the right side. As you can see, on the front side of the brake drum there was some heavy wear, mostly because at some point I left the parking brake on, or the parking brake lifted, and went with the car like this. And I remember that when we replaced the rear differential, the right wheel had a small problem, meaning that somehow it got some friction from the brake drum. That's the main reason why we have some extra wear on this side. Of course, the handbrake wasn't working as well, and I originally believed that I can repair it by shortening the handbrake cable. That wasn't the case, and therefore I had to replace the whole kit. Overall, the whole operation of replacing the rear brake drums is simple. It shouldn't take more than, let's say, a half an hour for each side, and depending on from where you buy the whole drum kit, you should get it for around 100 euros. In my case, it wasn't that cheap. The whole visit to the service costed me around 200 euros with the brake drums, the springs, and 2 light bulbs. 30% of these costs were the labor, and the rest were the value of the parts that were replaced. That's it for today, guys. This is my video. In my next one, I will show you another important replace that I've made on my Duster, and it was caused by some heavy off-roading, or at least 2 situations where my Duster was put to the test, to an extreme test, so to speak. So if you want to know more about it, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you find this video interesting and helpful, and until next time, drive safe.